Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Picola's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab hashtag Journal Jubilee, and it is hosted by myself, Perry Picola's Vlogs, Jamie Leisman, and Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds. And in this collab, we upload on Tuesdays. We share with you anything that is journal related. So it could be a junk journal, it could be a joy journal, a glue book, a planner, you could have scrapbook, anything that you would put together in a book, even an art journal. So anything like that, you are welcome to share with us in this open collab, and we upload on Tuesdays. However, if you're not able to upload on Tuesdays, it's okay to upload on a different day as well. Just go ahead and put in that hashtag Journal Jubilee and put in our 3 channels in the title and drop us a comment and let us know that you uploaded, and then that way we'll be able to find your video and comment on it. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you some pages that I made for Easter. I'm actually going to be doing more Easter spreads throughout the week. I got a few done so far to get started. So next week you'll see more Easter pages in my journal. But for now, we'll go ahead and get started with the ones that I did. I did not have a lot of time this past week. So I only got a couple pages done, but I think they came out really cute. I basically wanted to make some pockets out of the envelopes, which is what I did right here, and I used some really gorgeous retro stickers, and then I just added some other really cute Easter themed stickers as well. This washi tape I got from Temu. I love it. And then this one I think I got from Temu as well. There was a large Easter pack that I got, and then of course all of this washi tape is from Temu also. And for the card, I decorated this side right here, and I just put a little bit right here because I'm going to add some pictures here, as well as probably 1 or 2 here. That's what I'm planning on, but definitely I'll stuff this with some other types of items I want to keep for keepsakes, but this will definitely have at least 1 picture right here, and then possibly some more stickers. I want to do like the Easter bunny picture with my son and things like that. And then I did the same thing here. This beautiful, beautiful Dollar Tree card. I love it. So pretty. The other card is from Dollar Tree as well. And then in this one, I left it totally blank. So this will give me a lot of room to add some pictures, and then I can add some other decorations here once I pick the pictures. And I just made another pocket out of this envelope. I think these images are so cute. I love how this one has a really nice yellow theme, and a lot of the stickers coordinate with that. And then how this one has a lot of blue in it. I just think that came out really cool. Now the last one that I did for this week is right here. I kind of just wanted to use some of the stickers that I had in my stash and make a cute little Easter scene. So that's exactly what I did. I just did it on the regular paper that came in the journal. I added a lot of retro images with some of these other really cute Easter stickers. I got these, the majority of these are from Amazon, and some are from Etsy as well. So that is the last page that I have for this week's Journal Jubilee video. I hope that you guys like what I created. Definitely drop a comment and let me know. And also put in that hashtag Journal Jubilee. Watch Jamie Leisman's video, as well as Linda's video from Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds, and hopefully some other videos will get uploaded as well. Show everyone some love, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell, so you know next time I upload, and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.